In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Supabase to Netlify. By the end, you'll have the official Supabase integration added to your Netlify account, so your site can talk to your database and AUth services with less manual setup. We'll keep it simple and clear, walking through the exact clicks you need, plus a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. Before we start clicking, a quick note on what this integration does. It streamlines connecting your Netlify site to Supabase resources by centralizing setup in one place. Instead of manually wiring environment variables or juggling multiple dashboards, the extension helps you align your project configuration and keep things consistent across deploys. That way, you spend less time configuring and more time building. First, head to netlify.com in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, to log into your Netlify account to access your dashboard. Use the account that owns the site you plan to connect to Supabase. On the main dashboard, make sure you can see the left-hand navigation panel. We'll use it next. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Extensions. This opens Netlify's catalog of installable integrations and tools that add features to your projects. If your window is narrow, you may see icons only. Hover to reveal labels or expand the panel. The extensions view may also be grouped or searchable, which makes it easier to jump straight to what you want. Now, find Supabase in the list and click it. The quickest way is to use the search bar at the top and type Supabase. You're looking for the official Supabase integration, which includes a description of what it connects and what permissions it needs. Clicking it opens a details page where you can confirm it's the right integration for your workflow. Finally, click Install. During installation, Netlify may prompt you to choose which site to link and to confirm any requested permissions. That's normal and helps the integration configure itself. Depending on your setup, you might see guidance about environment variables or project settings after the install completes. Simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by Netlify. When the installation finishes, you'll see confirmation and the integration will appear under your extensions. That's it. You've navigated to Netlify, opened the extensions panel, selected Supabase, and completed the install. From here, you can manage the integration from the same extensions area at any time. If something doesn't appear, refresh the dashboard and check that you're viewing the correct team or site. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with a smoother connection between your Netlify site and Supabase services.